Welcome once again. Let's talk about Picoin. Let's talk about Pi Network coin, and also let's talk about Pi Network price. Pi Network launching price leaked. Now there's been a thing that's been trading on Twitter recently about Pi Network price because the developers are almost done. They are almost ready to come out to launch Pi Network, and now the price Pi Network is expected to start trading have also already been leaked, and I believe that even though this is something I know you cannot just bring out a particular price for any particular crypto coins, but based on the data they have, based on the statistics, based on the analysis they have with them, especially the Pi Network data that shows them at least the amount of price Pi Network is likely to start. Now, according to some rumor that this has been leaked online, because we believe that within the next 3 months Pi is likely to be launched. Now the price which people believe that Pi Network will be launched is between $5 to $35. Okay, but most people believe that $5 is the price Pi Network is likely to start, between that kind $4, $5 or $5 point. Now I believe that if this is leaked, that this is a price, they are mostly expecting Pi based on the Pi Network data analysis. I think it is good. Okay, and for those of you who have been mining Pi, and those of you who always dream of buying a lot of items with Pi Network, some of you want to buy properties, some of you want to buy phones, some want to shop on malls using the Pi Network coins. I think this is a great opportunity for Pi Network, and I believe that Pi Network will continue to really I think they will continue to give its holders that hope that no matter how long they've waited, but when it's launched, it will be for the good of everyone. That's why you still see a lot of people still mine Pi today. So for me, I still believe that yes, if it is launched, I believe that between $5 and $35, and I believe that nothing will really happen, because for now, if Pi can start their launching by bringing in few coins, if Pi can start their launching by creating awareness, then I believe that Pi Network can really do a lot of changes. So for me, let's hope for the best and see what Pi Network really have to offer once it's launched, because so many people have waited for Pi Network for many years. Please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.